All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful 2008 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor street appearance package with 128,000 miles and only 272 idle hours. From the city of San Diego, California, original Toreador red from factory. Once again, original Toreador red from factory. This is not a repaint, this is all original. From the city of San Diego, California, and it was a former San Diego fire and rescue unit, more than likely driven by a fire marshal or a fire chief. The vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, and yes, because it is the original paint, it does have scratches, and it's got about maybe 2 to 3 door dings that I was able to count. Some scratches, as you guys can see, are available here on the rear driver's side door. Let's back up. You can see them there, right there. Folks, vehicle does have a fresh new window tint, 20% all around. That is new window tint, 20% all around. No holes on the body whatsoever. Let me backtrack, folks. I do have one door ding right here next to the cap. There you go, right there. No holes on the body whatsoever. I do have scuff marks on the rear bumper. You can see them right there, folks. You can see them right there. And some little tiny scratches right here. Alright, that is on the rear bumper. Vehicle has been completely serviced in detail. She is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Vehicle does have a fresh new set of takeoffs, 235, 55, 17 by Goodyear Eagles RSAs. Before I forget, the steel wheels were repainted, reconditioned, so they do look new again. There you go. Decided to give this vehicle a different look, so I took off the full wheel covers that were not looking so good, so I went ahead and replaced them with the dog dishes. And you know what, I think I like the way it looks. No spotlights ever on the vehicle. No spotlights ever on the vehicle. Folks, here we go to the front bumper. I do have scuff marks on the front bumper. There you are. I do have a new OEM license plate bracket. Little scratches here. Once again, folks, the vehicle is not perfect, but if you can see past the scratches, folks, you got yourself a brand new vehicle. I do have some chips here, possibly from road hazard, as suspected. All right, as suspected. Folks, I do have a brand new set of Ford original equipment headlamps. These are new. The ones that the car came with, they were yellow and oxidated, and folks, for those of you that follow me, I don't like that look, so it's easier for me to just throw in a new set right there. You can't see it, but the Ford logo's right there. Okay, beautiful looking vehicle in immaculate running condition, folks. Let me tell you, we'll get to the services in a minute. Please stay with me as I'll make my way to the vehicle. No holes, as you can see. Once again, my detail crew did an amazing job cleaning her up and bringing the paint back to life. Let's go to the inside of the vehicle real quick. As you can see, folks, I do have a matching interior. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floors with matching original equipment floor mats. Everything is in place. Rear doors, because this was not a patrol car, door locks and switches are in place. So if you have any passenger sitting on the rear seat, they'll be able to exit the vehicle without a problem. This is going to be a Zebra 5 rear differential. That's going to be a 327 open, specially designed for highway driving. Once again, 327 open, Zebra 5. Once again, Zebra 5 on this 2008. Driver's side seat in perfect shape. Passenger side seat in perfect shape. There are no holes in the carpet. You can see some wear and tear on the floor mat right there, but everything else is intact. Let's go inside here real quick. The clock is ticking, so I better make it count. Let me clean this up. Folks, I got a nice dashboard. It's 4 little tiny holes right here, possibly from where the microphone hanger sat. These lights, these little switches right here, please stay tuned. They do work. Working cruise control. Hunk does work. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Oh, folks, I do have one key only. I'm gonna see if I can get you another one. In fact, I am gonna get you another one so that you have a spare key. All right, let's fire her up. Pressure lights off. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Please bear with me. 128,000 miles. Can you guys see this real clear? Yeah, there you go. 128,000 miles. I am responsible for 113 driven so far. 272 idle hours. Stereo does work, folks. Stereo does work. I do not own the rights to the song as per YouTube instructed me to. I do not own the rights to the song. Super cold air conditioner. Ticket light does work, sorry. Map lights do work. The blackout option is enabled on this vehicle, so every time the doors are open, the light will come on. Let's go to the trunk real quick. I still got a lot of ground to cover here. Oh, electric seat, driver's side seat right there, folks. Folks, I do have a full spare tire, what appears to be in new condition. Hold down pen inside with the instruction inside how to replace a tire, where to put the jack, floor jack to the right. Folks, if you see this area bulky right here, is because that's where the power supply is for the strobes. I'll get to that in a minute. The vehicle is equipped with 4 clear strobes. They do work. They do work. Once again, they do work. Look at those wheels, folks. They were brought back to new conditions. I love the way this one looked for some reason, and she rides like a dream, let me tell ya. There you go. All right, folks, this is the engine compartment. The engine, once again, is in immaculate running condition and shape. No funny noises, no funny smells, no nothing. Starting right to left, brand new air filter, throttle body was cleaned out. I do have 8 new Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs, full synthetic 520 engine oil service, full synthetic Motorcraft 5 Motorcraft 5 transmission fluid and filter was done. And folks, let me tell you, this is a brand new remanufactured OEM transmission that is in this vehicle. When we first got the vehicle out of the auction, when I first got the vehicle out of the auction, it was driving fine. However, the clutches were making the whining sound as you went through gears. I picked up on it. The noise wasn't as bad and severe, but you know what, it was there, and that was good enough to bother me. However, I went ahead and contacted my rebuilder. He was 2 months behind on work. So I went and contacted Galpin Ford. They did have a remanufactured OEM transmission, and folks, let me tell you, I paid the price for it. Brand new Mercom 5 transmission fluid and filter are in it, right from scratch, right from the factory, folks. What it appears to be a semi-new battery from that department. Fan shroud was replaced already, along with the farm module. Alright, folks, at my expense, new drive belt, new pulley. Let me clean this up here for you guys. New pulley, new tensioner. Alright, along with everything else that was done on the vehicle. I couldn't get it to focus in, folks. Let me see if I can. No, I can't. The clock is ticking, folks. Just be aware that everything here is new. Okay, new transmission, everything's new. New front brakes, and new rear brakes, and yes, all 4 rotors were turned. All right, folks, I'm sorry I wasn't willing to let the car go how it was. So I don't like to cut corners, and I did it the right way, and it cost me a pretty penny to make it all work. But you know what, I'm sure you're gonna be happy. And so yeah, I took care of everything for you. I don't think I left anything for you to do, to be honest, as I did everything. Very smooth running engine, folks. Am I forgetting anything? The air conditioner is nice and cold. I think that pretty much covers it all. Folks, if I forget anything, I'm gonna make sure I mention it on my ad. But yes, this vehicle does have a brand new remanufactured OEM transmission. My local rebuilder, he was 2 months out on work, and there's no way, no how I'm gonna wait 2 months for a car to get ready. So yes, a little bit extra more money was invested, and I'm sure you're gonna appreciate that very much. Oh, let's get to the switches. Red switch turns on. All right, red switch activates, let me hurry up, activates the rear strobes. All right, rear strobes. So red is for the rear only. You go green, green turns on. There you go, it's lit. It will activate the front strobes. Oh God. Folks, the clock is ticking. I'm gonna lose you, but there you go. I lost you. Any questions, please feel free to give me a call.